the Air Jordan 4 Sierra Red, a women's exclusive slated for February 7, 2026, blending pale ivory, Sierra Red, and tough red for an earthy yet bold mix. Though official material details remain unconfirmed, the palette suggests a refined, fall-inspired aesthetic applied to the AJ4's timeless design. Early mock-ups hint at how these warm and vibrant tones might balance, but the final retail version may surprise. Women's-only Jordans often drive high demand, while frustrating some fans seeking larger sizes, and this release is set to follow suit. With the AJ4's iconic heritage and the momentum behind female-focused sneaker drops, the Sierra Red stands out as a potential highlight of spring 2026. Its season-ready versatility, fashion-forward edge, and classic structure make it a must-watch for collectors and casual wearers alike, continuing Jordan Brand's push toward expanding style options for women.